We are in front of the parish office and we are going to take a little field trip through the parish office. Let's go. All right. And here we are inside the parish office.
Well, hello, Kelly. How are you?
Good. How are you, Miss Carolyn?
I am well, thank you.
Good. So this is where all the calls come in.
It is.
Yeah.
All the people come in.
Mm-hmm.
Just looking at this week's bulletin.
Okay.
Did you know it's bilingual now? Spanish and English together.
That's fantastic. One bulletin now. We don't need to have two.
Exactly.
Oh,
so how can I help you today?
I'm looking at your candy jar.
Yeah, it's running a little bit low, but
looks good. So we were wondering, Miss Carolyn, who is your favorite saint?
Well, that's a good question, but I have waited a long time for Mother Teresa to become a saint. So she is my favorite saint, Mother Teresa of Calcutta.
Oh, yes. She's a great saint. And how about this question? Do you have a favorite ice cream topping?
Oh, I gotta go hot fudge.
Oh, absolutely.
And it's gotta be hot. It can't be like just the Hershey's poured on.
Yeah, I agree.
It's gotta be the hot fudge that melts the ice cream a little bit.
Gotta have that little hot cold thing going on.
Yes.
Yes.
Now you're making me hungry, Kelly.
Okay. Well, thank you, Miss Carolyn.
You're welcome.
Okay. So we're gonna take a look at the office here. We have a fax machine, we have a postage machine, a color copier. Let's see if it's still going. Okay. I think it's going to be like, what were you doing? Oh, good, it's still going. Okay. And here we're walking down the hall towards Father John's office. Here's a room where he can meet with families and couples, and that's Miss Carolyn's other office. She's working 2 jobs right now, so she's a very busy person. And here is our pastor, Father John, in his office. How are you today, Father?
I'm doing good.
Good. Where's Hannah?
Hannah's down here in the cubby hole.
Can we take a peek?
Sure.
Hi, Hannah. Here she comes. She's very busy right now.
Very. She's working hard.
So, Father, do you have a favorite saint you'd like to tell us about?
My favorite saint is Saint Camillus de Lellis. So he was a young Italian man. He was raised in the faith by his mother. His father was a mercenary, and unfortunately, early in life he followed his father, and they did various wars for money, and he got into gambling and drinking and fighting and all those kinds of things. But he was injured in one of the battles that he was in, and so he began to work at a hospital in Rome, but his bad habits unfortunately followed him. And so he ended up getting released from that job. And then he had an uncle who was a Franciscan friar, so he tried to become a friar, and he would do some work at the friary, but again, because of his injury, which never seemed to heal, he was not allowed to continue in the formation as a Franciscan. And so he returned to Rome, begged for his job back, and he basically looked at the treatment of people in the hospital that were being cared for there, and he thought that he could do a much better job. And so he began to really serve the patients in the hospital, as well as being the janitor of the hospital. And he saw Christ in all of them. He would sit at their bed as he was comforting them and trying to help them as best he could, and he would confess his sins to them as if he was confessing to Christ. And through some discernment while he was doing that, he began to organize the men to be more faithful in Rome. He had St. Philip Neri as a spiritual director, and he eventually became a priest. and it started an order. It's called the Chameleons today. They're still in existence. The Red Cross that we have in the U.S. is really an outcropping of his religious order that he started. And my favorite saying of Saint Camillus is he was in his house of formation for his order. They would always go out and hand out all bread that they had to the hungry, and they were coming back one day, and they just had a little bit left that they were going to basically use for themselves, and there were more people, and so he gave it up. And his confreres were always saying, "No, you can't do that. You can't do it. We need food." And his favorite, my favorite saying of his was his reply to the confreres. He said, "Throw your bread into the river." Into the river of life, and it will return to you in the ocean of eternity.
Oh,
So,
wow.
Yeah, so he's my favorite saint, because he shows us all that we can turn our life around and learn to do good and bless people as opposed to try to hurt them.
Yes. What a great example of somebody who really turned their life around, became a priest, and then became a saint.
Yep.
Thank you. Well, Father, I have one other question for you.
Yep.
What is your favorite ice cream topping?
I don't really have a favorite ice cream topping.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm having vanilla ice cream, I'll put chocolate sauce on it sometimes. And then if I was going to eat like a Dairy Queen Blizzard, it would be an Oreo Blizzard.
Oh boy.
But as far as toppings for ice cream, I generally don't top my ice cream. And my favorite ice cream is chocolate.
Ah, nice and simple. Chocolate, can't go wrong. So chocolate with a little chocolate sauce.
I generally won't put chocolate sauce on chocolate, but if I'm having vanilla, I'll put chocolate sauce on vanilla. Got to
get the chocolate in there somehow.
Exactly. Not that I don't mind vanilla, but...
Right. I think we should all go get some ice cream.
I've got some over at the house.
Oh, sounds good. Maybe that's another field trip.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
All right, bye. Bye, Hannah. See you next time, sweet girl. Okay. So that was our trip to the office. I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.